Stomach-related issue is one of the major concerns faced day to day by most of the people. However, most of the people knowingly or unknowingly doing things which affect their digestive and stomach health. As a result, it ends up with gas, bloating, constipation, indigestion, skin and hair problems. All these problems occurs due to high level of toxins in our body. So in today's video, I will be sharing a juice which works like magnet to pull out all the toxins in your body. But before that, I will be discussing some habits that have a very bad effect on our stomach and increases our body toxins. So without further delay, let's get started. So hello friends, welcome to Flawless Fit. So starting with the morning routine, the first habit one should change is having tea as a first thing in morning. Most of the people have habit to have their tea directly after waking up in morning. This can disturb acid and alkaline balance in our body. Tea contains a chemical called theophylline which can have a dehydrating effect on stool and cause constipation and acidity. Number 2. Processed food. When we eat packaged food or oily food on daily basis, all these unhealthy added sugar, sodium, fat and waste accumulate in our intestine and it ends up giving birth to big problems. Number 3. Habit of drinking less fluids. A person should drink around 2 to 3 liters of water a day. Less water intake will directly lead to rise in level of toxins in our body and affects all our body functions. Number 4. Having late or heavy dinner. For proper digestive system, a person should have dinner maximum till 8 pm. Late night or heavy dinner leads to digestive issue as our digestive fire gets low during night time. So the heavy food doesn't get digested properly and it leads to increase in toxin level, weight gain and obesity. So the next habit on the list is bad sleep cycle. A person should sleep by 10 at night and also should have a good 8 hours sound sleep for good stomach health. So these were few habits which affects your stomach and digestive health and increase toxins level in your body. So now coming to the juice which will work as a scrubber and flush out all the toxins present in our body. So this is Ashgard fruit juice. This is a green color fruit with a light white ash patches on it. It's a magical fruit. It is also known as Safed Peta and easily available at any grocery shop. Ashgard is one of the best alkaline fruit with 96% water. It helps to remove acidity as it has cooling properties in it. It reduces your body heat and helpful in gallbladder stone. Ashgard is a magical fruit which cure internal bleeding and helpful for the person who have stomach ulcer. It is antioxidant in nature and helps in constipation. It is very helpful for body and kidney detox. It is very good for diabetic person and a person with high BP. Within just 1 week of drinking this juice, you will begin to see your skin finding a new glow and your weight will start normalizing. So now coming to the recipe. So to prepare 1 glass of Ashgard juice, you will need around 250 gram piece of Ashgard or Safed Petha. It's very important to remove the peels and seeds because they are bitter in taste. Now I will remove its peel and then remove its seeds as well. Now cut this petha into small pieces and put these pieces in a blender. Add some water to blend it well. Then filter it through a thin cloth or a strainer. So see how easy it was to prepare Ashgard juice. We shouldn't leave it lying outside for a long time. By doing this, we are reducing the nutrients present in it. You must drink this juice on an empty stomach every morning without adding any kind of salt, pepper, ginger or lemon in it. And yes, don't eat anything after drinking it for at least 1 to 2 hours because that is the time it's doing deep cleansing inside your body. So if you eat something, you will interrupt the cleansing process. So it is best to have breakfast 1 to 2 hours after having Ashgard juice. So friends, that's all for this video. I hope you found it to be useful. If yes, so please show me your support by giving this video a big thumbs up and yes, do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.